Do you feel the vibes?
If you guys enjoyed our new intro, please leave a like and a comment. What's up everyone, this is DM Tech Lab here today, and we're going to be focusing on the best 3D printing filaments. In third place we have CX5.
Makes me feel like the future is now.
In second we have FilaFlex.
Good evening, May. But not too late, I hope. I still have to prepare the show. Stravinsky Live as we planned.
And in first, we have F-Electric.
Hi, I'm Mike Tatongi, founder of Functionalize. I want to tell you about an invention that makes it easy for you to 3D print circuits, buttons, power connectors, voltage dividers, and more right inside your plastic prints. Functionalize F-Electric is the most conductive 3D printing filament you can buy. It's over 1,000 times more conductive than any filament available today, and it works on the most popular 3D printers. Functionalize F-Electric is the only filament that lets you print flashlights, battery packs, or power connectors right into your project. Imagine a world where you can print your next cell phone, an internet-enabled thing, or the latest in wearable electronics right on your 3D printer. It'll take us a few years to get there, but that's where we're going, and Functionalize F-Electric is a major step forward. So, how did a busy software executive end up inventing this stuff? About 2 years ago, on my birthday, my son and I decided to make an electromagnetic rocket for his school's project fair. Neither of us were electrical engineers, but I had some ideas and I knew it was going to be fun to try. We designed and tested our circuits, designed and printed the launch pad on a 3D printer, and then came the soldering. If there's anybody in the world worse at soldering than me, I haven't met him yet. I had this crazy idea to use a 3D printer and print the circuits right inside our launch pad, skipping the soldering and circuit boards altogether. So I naively searched for the printer and materials that we needed. No solution existed at all. I did find a lot of people looking for the same thing. Seems I'm not alone in my dislike of soldering. So, like anyone, I took a deep dive into the scientific literature, built a nanomaterials lab in my home, and tirelessly experimented, analyzed, and tested. After a lot of learning and hard work, I finally created a material that was conductive enough and prints beautifully on today's common 3D printers. Now we have these first-of-a-kind 3D printed flashlights that really were the first working design I made to print with our material. You'll enjoy designing and printing your own functional objects, and we can't wait to see what you make. Ultra-conductive 3D printing plastic is just the beginning. Using our patent-pending nanomaterials and processes, and with your support, we'll have the chance to develop all sorts of new materials you need to launch your own personal industrial revolution. Let's take this to the next level. Only through this Kickstarter, you get historic, limited edition 3D printed objects, early access to this groundbreaking material, and your chance to be a pioneer in the next wave of functional 3D printing.
Please like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, we'll see you in the next video.